Okay. The second enhancement technique is log transformation. Here R means it is the pixel value of the original image. S is the pixel value after the enhancement. Here what we need to do is the original pixel value, we have to apply log to that original pixel value and we have to multiply it with a constant k, and we have to store it in the new image, and we will see how it is going to change the image, how it is going to enhance the image, we will see. And each of these enhancement techniques, they are applicable for one applications. They have got certain applications, like if the background is black, then they will go for one enhancement. If the background is white, then they will go for another enhancement. If the edges are to be detected clearly, then they will go for another enhancement technique. Like that, each enhancement, it has got its application. Now we will see how does it work, the log transformation. We just need to implement this equation there. Okay. So once again, I will go to the Skylab and take the script. Already we have done the earlier program now. I just copy paste that program. I'll just copy paste this program. Now see here, there's one correction in this program. Whenever we will write, whenever we do I am read, the image gets read, and whenever we measure its size, it's in strings only. It's in the form of a string. Whenever we convert an image, in the digital image, the values 255, 254, 255, they are treated as strings. If we want to do a mathematical operation on that, then we should convert it to the integer. Here we are applying the log operation. Log operation is a mathematical operation. If you directly do this log operation on the pixel value, then it returns you an error stating that it's a string value. So what we need to do is here, first that image, we should convert that image to integer. And for that we have the command im2 to double. im2 to double, it converts the string to integer. Next, that converted image, the integer image is stored in B. So measure the size of that B, and then once again it is similar to the earlier program. That is for I is equal to 1 to n. Means for all the row pixels, for all the column pixels, the new pixel, it should be k star. K I have taken it as 5. 5 star log 10. Log base 10. You have to mention the base here. So log base 10, 1 plus here the original image is B. B of I comma j. Then we have plotted, that is the integer image B and the enhanced image C. Now we will see what happens. I have already saved this image and let us execute it. Okay, now see here. The dark portion is highlighted and all the gray shades, it has been replaced by white. Only the dark portion is being highlighted. Okay, now you try to vary the value of k. You make it 0.2, 1, 2, 3 and try to see how does it work. Okay, next I'll give you an exercise. That is, you try to implement this formula, power law transform. Here once again R is the original pixel value, S is the enhanced pixel value, C and gamma are constants. They are constant numbers. You try to take different constant numbers and you try to implement it here, and you try to implement it in the program and try to execute it. Same equation here, only this equation changes, that's all. In the same program, only this equation changes. Try to do that. Okay, next technique is thresholding. In thresholding, what they do is, as we all know, the minimum pixel value of a grayscale image is 0 and the maximum pixel value of a grayscale image is 255. In thresholding, they will keep one threshold value, suppose 120. Suppose assume that the threshold is 120. Now here in thresholding, what happens is, if the pixel value is greater than 120, then all those pixels, they get replaced by 1. And if the pixel value is less than the threshold, means if it is less than 120 and all the pixel values, they get replaced by 0. Instead of 120, you can keep the threshold 200. In that case, all the pixel value greater than 200 will be replaced by 1 and the pixel values less than 200 will be replaced by 0. For that, again we have the command. You can write the program as well, no problem, but I am using the command here. IM to BW means image to binary command only we can use. So first I am reading the image. Here I have read the color image. So I am converting it to grayscale. Then binary image, that is grayscale image with the scale 0.1. Here we have to mention the normalized scale. Means 1 represents 255. 0 represents the 0. 0.1 means it's around 25. If the pixel value is greater than 25, then all the pixels get replaced by 1. If the pixel value is less than 25, then all the pixels it gets represented by 0. So let me run the program. Okay, see here. Since I have kept very lesser threshold, almost all the pixels they get replaced by 1. So it looks very brighter. Means all the pixels have become white. Now, if suppose if we change the threshold, let me change the threshold to some 0.7 or 0.7. Now what happens? The threshold is larger. 70% the threshold is. So almost not all the pixels will be white. More portion of the image will be black. Okay, see here, like this. So it's basically it converts it to a binary image. If mainly all these enhancement techniques, they have major applications in medical field, because whenever they have to detect a tumor or anything, it's always they want it to be brighter. Means the background is black, completely black, the thing is completely white, like that. So it's mainly they use it in the medical fields.